What is this set? A red, automatic electric, rotary dial telephone, and the first rotary dial telephones ever have in common. They're related. Look at the grandparents. Look at the grandpa. Isn't that wonderful? So this was one of the first rotary dial telephones, as Strowger founded the automatic electric company and invented what we call automatic phone service. Automatic phone service really means picking the phone up, dialing a number, and being able to talk to someone without the help of an operator. Because prior to that, you would pick your phone up, turn the crank, and have to have an operator manually connect you. And then when you were done, you would do the same, usually something like that, to tell them you're done with your call.